Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I am totally obsessed with decorating, DIYing, and shopping, and I share that with you guys here on my channel. So if you have the same obsessions as me and you want to see more content like that, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And today's video is going to be a spring haul. I have decor, I have just a couple fashion items, and I have my spring Decocrated box to share with you guys as well, which I'm really excited about. I'll put that towards the end of the video. And yeah, I am just kind of faking it until I make it as far as spring goes right now. I dressed springy, I'm sharing springy stuff with you, but it is freezing here in Ohio and the wind gusts are like 65 miles per hour, and I'm hearing it's kind of like that across the country, so I hope you guys are staying safe, and I mean that seriously because these winds are no joke. And yeah, so let's just kind of pretend like it's spring, fake it until it's spring, and go through all of this spring decor. So I have one Easter item to share with you guys, and it is this adorable wreath here. I'm planning on just getting maybe one or two more Eastery kind of things and then calling it quits. I'm focusing more on just like spring colored kind of items that I can transition all the way through summer. But I had to get an Easter wreath for my front door, and especially when I saw this one at Walmart with these gorgeous kind of dusty purpley pinky tones. That's the vibe that I want to go for this year, and this was only $14, or let me see, $14.88. So I love this. The only thing I don't love is the bunny. I think I'm gonna take the bunny off. I know that's a sin, but I just think the bunny is doing a little too much with this wreath. I would like it to be a little bit more simplistic. So I'll take him off, and I think I'll be able to find another place or something else to do with the bunny. But yeah, they have a ton of like really beautiful stuff in this kind of color scheme, so if you love that just like I do, then you're definitely going to want to go check out Walmart. So these next items are so cute and so affordable. You get both of these for $13, and they are these adorable velvet pillow covers. Okay, not one, but two for $13. That is an incredible deal. One for $13 would be a good deal in my opinion, but you get the two of them for $13. And you can get pillow inserts really affordable at like Hobby Lobby and I think Walmart as well. But whenever I buy like a full-on pillow, if I'm gonna buy pillows at like TJ Maxx or Home Goods or something, I always look for a zipper so that I know that there's an insert inside. That way I can reuse it with pillows down the line. And I always look for feather inserts in the pillows at like Home Goods and stuff, because you can reshape feather much easier than like the polyfill or whatever. So that's just a little tip from me to you. But these are a gorgeous color. This is called Pinky Purple, I think, on the listing on Amazon. And it might come across kind of blush on camera, but it's more like a lilac-y pinky purple color. I just love it. Like I said, I'm doing kind of purpley, dusty, pinky tones for spring and summer. And I've had really good luck with pillow covers on Amazon. I will only order pillow covers that are Amazon Prime, so I know that they'll get to me in 2 days and they're not coming in 3 months from China or something like that. And I always look for reviews with photos before I order anything from Amazon. So I've had really good luck that way, and these are no exception. I am really impressed with these. So these next items were a little bit of a splurge, I guess you could say. I did get them on sale and then an additional 40% off the sale price, but they were still a little pricey. But I justified that because I'm not gonna be buying summer decor. I'm just gonna carry spring all the way through summer until I decorate for pre-fall. Yeah, pre-fall. I'm that crazy fall girl that decorates in August. Pre-fall though, okay? That's how I get away with it. I call it pre-fall. But anyways, I know you're not here for fall. Maybe you are, because I have a lot of fall lovers on my channel, but we're talking spring. So the pillows that I picked up, these are from Anthropologie, and they were, I think, $32 after all the discounts, which is still more than I want to pay for a pillow, but for something that is this cute, this is the exact vibe and the exact colors that I want to go for spring and summer, I thought the price was worth it. And not as many people shop for home decor at Anthropologie, so I feel like not that many people are gonna have these pillows, and I really wanna focus on making my home unique in a way that still represents me. I want people to come into my house and be like, that's Kristen's house. That doesn't look like, you know, X, Y, and Z's house. That looks like Kristen's. And I feel like these pillows are pretty unique, and I just love the colors. So if you're ever at Anthropologie or searching around online, definitely check out the sale section, because at least once a week they have an additional 20 or 40% off the sales section, and it makes the prices a little bit more reasonable there. So the next item that I have to share with you are these adorable sneakers that I got from a Meijer grocery store. If you have a Meijer near you, you need to go and check out their like sale sections. I guess they're clearancing out shoes that are winter, but to me these are spring. The color was labeled as lilac, and as you can probably tell, I'm obsessed with that color. So yeah, I had to pick these up. They were originally $65 and I got them for $15. Okay, and they had Adidas on sale too. And they actually do have name brands. These are Reebok at Meijer in their clothing section and their shoe section. But I think a lot of people don't think to shop for shoes and clothes there, but I'm not above it. I always check out their shoes and clothes, and I was really happy that I was able to score these for such an affordable price. Okay, the last springy item that I wanted to share with you guys are these adorable earrings that I'm wearing. I know you're not going to be able to see them very well, so I'll have to insert a clip on the side or whatever, but these are just so pretty. I got these from DSW. I had been thinking about getting them for like a few weeks, and I just decided to pull the trigger on Valentine's Day when I ordered something for Jose for a Valentine's Day present, and I have been wearing them nonstop. I just think they are so pretty and like kind of dressy but kind of casual at the same time, and I just know I'm gonna be wearing these all spring long. So now let's get into my Decocrated box. I love this service. If you aren't familiar, it is a quarterly subscription service. They send you a big old box of home decor. What could be better than that? I really just cannot think of a better subscription service. And you can order just 1 quarter, you can order the whole year, whatever you want to do. I do have a discount code that gets you $10 off, so I'll have that information and all of their information down below. Yeah, I love Decocrated. I want to say thank you to them for sending me these boxes. I can't get enough of them. But also they kind of found out that I was going through something pretty tough a couple weeks ago, and everything is fine. Don't worry about me, you guys. It worked itself out. But they reached out to me and made sure that I was okay. They didn't have to do that, and they actually even shared their advice with me. Somebody there had gone through the exact same thing, and she just, I don't know, she was there for me, and it was really sweet. And I've always known that they were great over there, but that gave me an even stronger appreciation for them. So thank you, Decocrated. And yeah, let's get into this box. All right, so I have actually already opened this box and gone through it. I get a preview of the box, so it doesn't make any sense for me to come on here and kind of pretend to be surprised by what's in it, because I already have a good idea of what's coming inside. But I will say that they package these beautifully. It's like Tetris, the little boxes that are inside of here. They all fit perfectly within the box, so nothing breaks during shipping. And then on top, you'll get this envelope, and it comes with a pamphlet. This pamphlet is really helpful. It shows you ways to style the decor, which as somebody who, I feel like I have a pretty good sense of, you know, style when it comes to decor, but I still find that helpful. I still use the tips and the styling ideas in there. And then they also send this little card in every box. It's different for every box, and it tends to be like the most seasonal item, I would say. Usually everything in the box you can use after the season's done, but they send these cards, and I think it's great that they like pick something small like this to make seasonal. But actually this one you could use year round. The first side says, tell me a story with flowers, and you can put this in a picture frame. They sent a picture frame with my fall box, but I think with your first box, everybody gets a picture frame or a free gift, if I'm not mistaken. And then the other side says, stay focused and extra sparkly. You could use that year round. And you can put these in whatever picture frame you want. Yeah, I love it. I love that it's double-sided. They actually send quite a few things in each box that are double-sided, so it's like more bang for your buck. So the first thing that I actually pulled out of my box were these pillow covers. I'm pillow obsessed, so I was happy to get pillow covers in this box. They sent some in the fall box, and I still am using one of the pillow covers from the fall box in my decor right now. It was this buffalo check one, which I absolutely love. So for the spring box, they sent this one that is white with the black stripes and the pom-poms. I love that it's neutral, but pom-poms instantly make me think of like beachy weather and stuff like that. So it still has a springy, summery vibe to it, but it'll match pretty much anyone's style and anything that you put with it. And then the next one is this one here with this really pretty kind of coral mustard floral print with some black polka dots and black accents, and the back side is coral with white polka dots. It actually almost matches me perfectly. And this is really, really cute. Obviously, I've already shown you the pillows that I picked up prior to receiving this box, and this will not match those. But I was wondering if any of you guys knew about a product that I could maybe like spray on this to turn it into an outdoor pillow. We're redoing our backyard. Well, when I say redoing our backyard, we're getting a 6-foot fence, privacy fence put around the backyard, and I want to get like a rug for the patio. We got new patio furniture last year, and we want to make it really nice, and I feel like this would be so cute to put out there. So I hope I can find something to turn this into an outdoor pillow. Otherwise, I'll just have to be careful with it and just bring it in and out as we go out there. The next item in the box is adorable. It is this vintage looking clock. This is a really good size. Like, I don't have a small head, you guys. I don't have small anything, honestly. TMI, but yeah, this clock would be so cute if you do the farmhouse style or French country, shabby chic, anything like that. It just gives me those vibes. And there is a spot for batteries in the back to make it a functioning clock. It's a really beautiful kind of like tealy turquoise robin egg blue sort of a color, and this would be great in an office. There's a lot of good office stuff in this box, by the way, but on a nightstand as well, or on a shelf. I just ordered like a small kind of cabinet-y hutch sort of a thing for my dining room. It's actually just to store my dog's food in because we don't have enough storage for 2 dogs, big bags of food. So anyways, I think this will have a home on that. I need to get it in first and decorate it, and I will share that with you guys, and I'm sure you will see this in an upcoming video. So the next item from the box is this really cute kind of wooden crate. It has faux leather handles. This gives me Opal House vibes, like the collection at Target that's kind of boho inspired. I don't know what it is about it, but I love this, and when I saw it, I immediately thought like, that is the perfect place to put remotes. I don't know, are you guys anything like me? Like, I hate for remotes to be sitting out. I decorate my living room, and I just don't want anything ugly sitting out, and remotes are such an eyesore, and this is like the perfect size to put all 500 of my remotes in. And you could also put like mason jars in here and use it as a utensil caddy for barbecues and picnics, or you could put vases in here and put flowers in them, or just use it for storage. The possibilities are truly endless for something like this, and you already know what I'm using it for, remotes. I'm sick of the remotes laying around everywhere. The next items that come in the box are these cork coasters. You get 4 of them, and they all say different things. This one says drink up buttercup, sip sip hooray, cheers y'all, and fry yay. And I love that these are cork. I have so many coasters. I really do feel like you can't have enough coasters, especially if you entertain at your house. But I have a lot of marble coasters, and I don't really want to take them outside with us when we start using our patio. So I'm happy that these are cork. These will be perfect for outdoor entertaining. I think the sayings are really cute, and I already kind of mentioned in a video that when we're closer to spring and the weather's a little bit nicer, I would love to host like a girls' spring brunch, and I will definitely be using these when I do that. Also in the box, you get this adorable little succulent. This is actually a pretty good size, and it comes in a ceramic white kind of pot, and I already am using this in my decor. I posted a picture with this in it on Instagram, and a lot of people were like, oh, I love the greenery in your picture, that looks so cute. So yeah, they were talking about this. It's adorable, and these little succulents are just like the perfect thing to put in a spot that is missing something. If you have a little place in your house, a shelf, a little corner or something, and you're like, I just don't know what to put there, a succulent and a little one in a white pot like this will match everything. So this is a really nice item, and I was really happy to get this in my box. Just a couple more items. I know this is a long video. I hope you guys don't mind. I feel like I say that in every single video, but anyways, you also get this clipboard. It says things to remember. I didn't write that on there, of course, like my handwriting is not that good, but I love the gold detailing on the clip here. And my favorite part of all is that it does come with this liquid chalk marker. It says non-toxic, water-based, easy wipe off, high quality. So that's really nice that they included this, because I don't know about you guys, but I can never find these in the stores. And when I do find them, I feel like they're really expensive. So it's nice that they included this, and I think I'm gonna take this to my office with me and maybe just write a cute quote on it and use it as decor as opposed to like an actual clipboard. So if I do that, I'll make sure to take a picture and share it with you guys on Instagram. All right, we are down to the last item, and this is probably my favorite. It is another double-sided item, and it's this adorable little sign. It says messy bun and getting stuff done, and I think that's really cute. I notoriously wear a messy bun almost every single day, but my favorite side is this side here. It says, today I will be strong, brave, kind, and unstoppable. Today I will be fierce. And I love that message. I love the simplicity of this side. And this is fairly small, but it's not like too small. And it would be the perfect size to kind of fit into an empty space on a gallery wall. I'm gonna try to make like a little tiny office space in my guest bedroom, and I will certainly be hanging this up in my little office area if I can find space in there, because it is literally the smallest room. I didn't even know if I could fit a bed in there. Somehow we did. But anyways, I really like this. I especially love the message on it, and it's a really nice, versatile piece of decor for an office or a bedroom or really anywhere. Okay, so that is it for this haul. I know it was super long. I hope you guys didn't mind. It's been about a week since I filmed, so of course I am just full of chitter chatter, and I mean, I am all the time. But anyways, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos like these. I have another pretty large spring haul coming later this week. I will catch you all in a future video. Bye guys.